So, da ni yma heddiw I drafod efo busnesu lletygarwch, yr negeseuon diogelwch da ni eisiau rhoi allan I bobl sy'n dod I ymweld ar Wyddfa.
We're trying to join all of the agencies up. So we've got Adventure Smart, we've got the National Park, we've got Mountain Rescue, and we've got the tourist industry representatives, all trying to come together to get some consistent messaging for people. And just be aware that if you are going out into the hills, it is a serious undertaking. And so make sure that you've got the right kit, that you know where you're going, you know what the weather's like. Because it is easy to look at stuff online, to see these beautiful places that you can go to, but you do have to consider where you're going. It's not just literally walking in the park. There can be quite serious parts. So make sure you've got the information you need before heading.
Dwi'n yma heddiw yma I ddysgu mwy ar sut I gadw yr ymwelwyr yn saff ac ar eich bach o wybodaeth iddyn nhw o ran ydyn nhw'n gwybod yn union be I ddefnyddio mynd I fyny'r Wyddfa, ydy'r ger iawn gennyn nhw, dyn nhw'n gwisgo sodla, dyn nhw'n gwisgo sandal sy'n fynd a mae o'n digwydd. A wedyn eich gobeithio gan bod ni'n cael sgwrs efo'r ymwelwyr bod o'n lleihau yr impact ar pobl sydd yn achub nhw, y gwasanaethau brys yna sydd yn yr ardal yma.